A lot of people with knee pain will use more highly cushioned shoes to help reduce their pain as they walk. And while that can be true in many situations, it doesn't really give you long-term changes in your knee pain. And in some situations, it can actually make your knee pain worse. And the main reason for this is that as your foot hits the ground when you walk, the whole leg has to absorb a large amount of shock. Now, how your leg naturally handles that shock is the ankle slightly bends and the knee slightly bends to absorb and dissipate that shock. Now, what often happens when people have knee pain, the knee stiffens as you walk, and so it loses that ability to bend and absorb that shock. So what you can do, of course, is add in a highly cushioned pair of shoes underneath the foot that can absorb some of that shock. But what happens then is that it doesn't actually naturally improve the knee's ability to bend and handle shock. So it can perpetuate that knee stiffness, even though it actually reduces your pain when you walk. But in some situations, when people have a lot of stiffness at the knee and pain, by adding a cushioned pair of shoes underneath the foot, it can actually increase that stiffness around the knee, making your knee pain worse. So how do we navigate this if you're dealing with knee pain? So firstly, you have to look at them as separate things. Number one, adding the cushioned shoe support underneath your foot allows you to modify the way you walk to walk with less discomfort in many situations, but it doesn't improve the health of the knee. So you have to have a separate pathway of rehab and treatments that you use to improve the health of the knee by restoring movement, by restoring strength around the knee joints to improve how well the knee naturally absorbs that shock.